Hi there, welcome back to our channel. My name is Laura McClelland. I'm a local real estate agent in Port St. Lucie, Florida, and I work alongside my partner, Michael Morgan. Together, we make videos about Port St. Lucie and Port St. Lucie real estate, specializing in new construction homes. Whether you're looking to build a new construction home or make a move, we'd love to help. Feel free to call, text, or email us to get started on your home buying journey. Today we're here in the standout 55-plus destination, Valencia Parc, part of the master plan Riverland development. In just a moment, we're going to take you inside the beautiful Bimini model from the Signature Collection. But first, let's explore what makes Riverland such a truly exceptional place to live. Riverland is a master planned community spanning over 4,000 acres, featuring 4 unique Valencia neighborhoods, each with its own beautiful manned gated entrance and welcoming social clubhouse. In each clubhouse, you'll find a resort-style pool with inviting lounge areas and shaded seating, an ideal place to relax, recharge, and enjoy time with neighbors and friends. Indoors, you'll enjoy a full-service restaurant open for lunch and dinner, offering themed menus that pair perfectly with the memorable shows and entertainment hosted at the Grand Social Hall. One of the features that makes Riverland truly one of a kind is its expansive network of golf cart-friendly roads and scenic walking pathways, connecting residents to an extraordinary collection of amenities throughout the community. At the heart of all of it is the 30,000 square foot Wellness and Fitness Center, featuring a 24-hour fitness facility, indoor and outdoor lap pools, and a resistance pool. Just around the corner, a second wellness building provides 6 fitness studios, a nail salon, and the River Fresh Cafe, the perfect spot to recharge with a smoothie, fresh juice, or a light bite after a workout. For those who enjoy sports and recreation, Riverland is home to the impressive Sports and Racket Club, featuring 37 pickleball courts along with tennis and bocce, with expansions underway that will bring the community to 53 pickleball courts and 15 tennis courts. There is also a convenient pro shop on site where you can pick up any accessories or equipment that you may need. If creativity is more your passion, you'll love the Arts and Culture Center, offering hands-on studios for ceramics, acrylic painting, and other creative classes, as well as a demonstration kitchen where chefs lead cooking experiences, usually accompanied by a generous glass of wine. Just outside, you'll find garden boxes where residents can grow farm-to-table herbs and ingredients. And just next door, you'll have the public Riverland Paseo Park, where you'll find a 12-acre family-friendly space featuring a 2-acre dog park, pet waste disposal stations, lighted softball and soccer fields, bleachers with shade structures, concession stands, and climbing boulders, along with restrooms. To add even more convenience, Riverland recently introduced its brand new Town Center, equipped with a 2-story Publix grocery store that you can access by golf cart or car, along with a Publix liquors and future shops, restaurants, and services already in motion. At Valencia Parc, your HOA covers your full lawn care, security monitoring, and common area maintenance. And there are no CDD fees, which is a significant advantage compared to many other new construction communities. All of the homes are made of concrete block construction with flat concrete tile roofs and complete hurricane impact windows and doors for that extra peace of mind. As new construction specialists here on the Treasure Coast, we love helping buyers find a home and a lifestyle that they truly connect with. And because Michael relocated here from Long Island, New York, we understand firsthand what it's like to move from out of state, the excitement, the unknowns, and all of the decisions in between. So if you're building from a distance, we act as your eyes and ears on the ground, providing photo and video updates, attending walkthroughs and inspections, and keeping you informed every step of the way. Whether you're just beginning your search or you've built a home before, having an experienced team supporting you can make the entire process smoother and far less stressful. All we ask is that you reach out to us before your first visit to the Model Center so we can be added to your registration and represent you from day one. Now let's begin our tour. The Bimini model offers 2,352 square feet of air-conditioned living space, featuring 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a den, as well as a 2-car garage. It's a part of the signature collection here in Valencia Parc, with home sites available on both garden and water views. As you enter, you're welcomed by an open, elegant layout. The foyer flows directly into the main living area, creating a bright and inviting atmosphere with a seamless connection between the great room, dining space, and kitchen, ideal for both everyday living and entertaining. The kitchen serves as the centerpiece of the home, highlighted by a large island that faces the main living area. It allows you to cook, host, and stay connected all at once, with beautifully appointed finishes and the option for quartz or granite countertops. Towards the back of the home, the primary suite offers a private retreat. The bedroom is generously sized, and the ensuite bathroom features dual vanities, a walk-in shower, and a spacious walk-in closet for added convenience and luxury. The guest bedrooms are thoughtfully positioned on the opposite side of the floor plan, each with easy access to a dedicated bathroom, perfect for hosting visitors or extended stays. The den adds valuable flexibility, whether you need a home office, a hobby room, or an optional 4th bedroom. The living area opens to a covered patio that enhances the indoor-outdoor lifestyle Florida is known for. It's the perfect setting for morning coffee, outdoor dining, or relaxing evenings. Overall, the Bimini delivers a refined, functional, and well-balanced layout designed for comfort, flexibility, and elevated living. Continue having a look around, but stay until the end to learn about a special opportunity only offered here at Valencia Parc. hope you enjoyed this tour, and if you're interested in planning a visit to Riverland, reach out to us before you come in person and we'll help you get everything arranged. If you're seriously considering this community, you may want to take advantage of the Stay and Play program, where you can stay in a furnished model home for 2 nights for just $99 and experience the amenities and lifestyle firsthand. We can assist you with your reservation and walk you through exactly what to expect. Before you plan your visit, there's just one important thing to keep in mind. When you do work with us, you have a team looking out for your best interests, not the builder's. Since the builder covers our commission, you receive full guidance and support at no cost to you. All we ask is that you do contact us first before visiting or registering at the Model Center, so we can make sure you're protected and represented from the very beginning. If you're ready to tour Riverland and explore available homes or take advantage of the Stay and Play program, call or text us and we'll take care of everything for you. Before you go, don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you never miss future model tours, community spotlights, and new construction updates here in Port St. Lucie. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to help you explore Riverland soon.